Hello, I'm Adam Schulberg, Senior Audiologist at Cubex Audiology here in central London, and welcome to your weekly tip. Today I'd like to talk to you about the relationship between the ears and the brain. So the ears are designed to receive information. The external ear captures sound and it transmits it to the eardrum. The three little bones then convey that signal into the inner ear, where messages are eventually passed up to the brain box. The ears are of course on opposite sides of our head, so the signal that's delivered to the brain is somewhat different between the two ears. It's the brain's job then to receive that information and using memory to match the signal that it's received so it can start to make sense of the data. So when one starts to develop reduced hearing, the information that is received at the brain is perhaps incomplete, somewhat muddled at times, and confused. And it's then the job of the brain to try to make sense of it and to fill in the gaps. Throughout the day, the brain is working to do this, and it's working very, very hard. And perhaps towards the latter stages of the day, it becomes quite tiring, because it's constantly having to pull data from the memory banks to try to recall, to actually fit it in, and to work out what was actually said. So those that are suffering from reduced hearing may actually notice that as they then want to get involved in other activities towards the end of the day, they don't have the mental capacity, they feel tired, and perhaps are disinclined to go into those situations which they might have otherwise enjoyed. So this is something really to be very mindful of, be aware of, and if you have any concerns, if any of these things sound familiar to you, then please do not hesitate to contact us. We are Cubex, www.cubex.co.uk, and thank you very much for listening today.